Hi, this is Mrs. Robertson, and today we're going to go over how to do surface area problems. Question, yes. All right, well, let me unfreeze it for you. How's that? Good? Okay, so we're going to look at this worksheet and find our matches, and then after this worksheet, we're going to practice drawing nets. We have a quiz tomorrow over surface area. So let's look at this problem here. This rectangular prism is 2 by 5 by 2. So the top is 2 by 5, so it would be 10. The front is 2 by 5, which is 10. If the top is 10, the bottom's 10, and the back is 10. The right side is 2 by 2, which is 4, and the left side will be the same. So when you add those all together, your surface area is 48 centimeters squared. Which of these shapes is 48 centimeters squared? Which of these is a net for problem number 1? F. Very good. F is the net for number 1. 2 by 5, 2 by 2. Yes, that will match up. Any questions on how to see how to do that net? Make sure when you're doing your areas of your rectangles, you have 6 of them. This one, the top and the bottom, actually matched the front and the back, didn't it? Yes. Okay, let's go on to problem number 2. In number 2, the top is 6 by 3, so that's 18. The bottom is 18. The front, and I trace over the sides to get the feel for the number, 6 by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. And the back is 24. Now I just have my right and left sides. Katia, what's the area of the right and the left side? You can stand. 3 by 4, which is 12. The left side is going to be 12. So now you're going to add those all together. Now we add these together. What do you get when you add those numbers together, class? 108? Okay. 108 centimeters squared. I am believing you. I didn't add it. I'm trusting you kids. All right. Where is the match? Is there a match for this one? In number 2, where is the match? Yes, what did you say, Zoe? A. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 3 by 4. Yep. Will it fold up correctly? Yes. It is A. Good job, kids. Now let's look at number 3. In number 3's rectangular prism, my top is 4 by 3. 4 times 3 is 12. The bottom is 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, I'm going to say this one's my front. You might have it for left or right. It's 3 by 5, which is 15. There are 2 of them. And then I have the right side, 4 by 5, which is 20. I have 2 of those. Add them all together, and you are going to get, 14, carry a 1. Did you get 94? 94 is your area. Centimeters squared, because we're counting squares, aren't we? Which one of these match number 3? Which one is the match? Landon, did you know the match of that one? I thought your hand up. Yes. Which one? D? No. E. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it takes care of that one. Now we need a 5 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then we end up with a 3 by 3. Okay, it matches. Does it have all the pieces? When you fold it back up, that's a leaf. Yep, it is E. Nice job, kids. Let's go to number 4. In problem number 4, the top is 5 by 10. 5 by 10, which is 50. And there are 2 of them. The bottom is 50. Okay, I'm going to call this the front. It's 2 by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And the back is also 10. Then I have my right and left side. It is 10 by 2. 10 times 2 is 20. And the left side is 20. Add them all together. What did you get? Did you get 160? 160 meters squared. Which one is a match for this problem? Which one is the match? D, C. For number 4, it's got to be 10. 10 by 5. It's not going to be C. It's going to be this one or this one. It could be both of them if they fold up right. Oh, let's see. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. That takes care of that. Then it goes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 by 5. Then 10 by 2. It could be D. Why is it H? Could it be H? Could it be both of them? Yep, it's D and H. D and H both work, don't they? Can you see anything wrong why it wouldn't be D or H? They both make the same. So yeah, the answer to number 4, D and H. Now let's look at number 5. In number 5, the top is 3 by 2, which is 6. You have 2 6s. The right side is 3 by 2, so it's 6. And the left side is 6. The front is 4. All right, this is almost like number 1, isn't it? So when you add them together, did you get 32 centimeters squared? Which one matches number 5? C. 2 by 3, so we've got that. Yeah, it's C. Now we have our last one. It's 3 by 2 by 6. So the top is 3 by 2, so that's a 6. The bottom is 6. The front is 3 by 6, which is 18. So the back is 18. The right is 2 by 6, which is 12. So the left side is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get 72 for that one? Which one is the match for this one? Which one is the match? Does it have a match? You said G. Let's see. 2 by 3. That matches. 2 by 6. 3 by 6. When you fold it up, will it make one? Yep. The answer is G. Are there any other questions? All right. Nice job. And that one is G. Now let's go to our other worksheet. And I want to talk to you just a little bit about parts of a net. Okay? Faces are the rectangle shapes with a rectangular prism. How many faces does a rectangular prism have? When we add the sides together, how many do we have? Oh, who else needs one of these? Here, come and get one. There are 6 faces. faces are the rectangles, okay, or the shapes that make it up. There are 6 of them. It's the top and the bottom, the front and the back, and then you have a right side and a left side. Those are the 6 faces. Then it says, how many edges does a rectangular prism have? Kids, edges are where they meet. So let's look at this one. There's one edge. The lines are edges. 2, 3, 4. See those edges? Then let's do the ones on the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have the connecting ones. 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. Edges are the lines where faces meet. Where 2 faces meet, they form an edge. Vertices are the points. How many points are there? 1 point, 2 points, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. Vertices are the points. Any questions? Okay, the last thing we're going to do is draw a net. In this net, it's going to be, I'm going to do the top first. And the top is 6 by 3. Okay, so I'm going to trace it in green. It is 6 by 3. All right, so I'm going to draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 3. That's the top. Now I'm going to do the front. The front is 6 by 4. All right, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this time by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to the bottom, and the bottom matches the top. It's 6 by 3. And the back matches the front. It's 6 by 4. What's left to do? We only have 6 rectangles. We only have 4. We need 2 more. Left and right sides. Okay, and it's over here. Oh, but there are no numbers over there. Well, this is the same as, so this is a 3, and this distance is the same as that. So the left and the right side are 3 by 4. I'm going to attach it to this one. Since I'm attaching it to this one, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to go out to the 3. All right, now double check. Will this side match that side? Yes. Will this side match that side? Yes. It will fold correctly. Now we have to find the area. How many squares are there in this shape? Well, 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 18, 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Now add those all together. 2 18s, 2 24s, 2 12s. And when I add them, did you get 108?
Yeah.
108 feet squared. Now, for your homework, what I like for you to do, I would like for you to find the surface area of 5 and 6. You don't have to draw a net. You do have to draw a net for numbers for this one. Oh, it does ask for you to find the volume. Volume is not on your quiz tomorrow, but just remember volume is length times width times height. It's just good to review that. And make sure on that one you put inches cubed. This one is surface area. It's inches squared. Why is it inches squared? Because it's two-dimensional. Two dimensions are squared. What makes it two dimensions? You multiply two things together. Or I should say two dimensions. Two dimensions, a length and a width. You multiply two dimensions together. Okay, so you draw a net, find the surface area, and then do the surface area for this one. I'm not going to make you do the volume. Just find the surface area of block A, find the surface area of block B, and tell me which block has the greater surface area. Any questions? That is your homework. Have a good day.